Welcome to Dragoart Tattoo official channel. Today, let me show you how to set up RB01 tattoo kit. First, we need to use Coflex tape to wrap the tattoo machine. Since this is only for practice, you don't have to wrap the whole machine. If you want to know more about how to wrap tattoo machine, please kindly see the video over here. Then, we need to install the tattoo needle, insert the cartridge needles, rotate it until you hear the click, connect power supply, and rotate the knob to adjust the voltage. Now, it's time to connect it all together. Activate the foot pedal to turn on the machine, release it will turn off. When the machine is running, rotating the grip to adjust the needle depth. It will help you observe the needle depth easily. Now let's talk about inks. Shake it before use. This is practice ink. Please don't use the ink to tattoo on human skin. About the vitamin ointment, it can help you clean the practice skin easy. You can use it to erase the tattoo stencil or to clean residual ink. If you have any other question, please kindly comment below. And don't forget like this video and subscribe our channel. Now, please kindly see Mr. Yu, a tattoo artist from our pro team, use the tattoo kit to create a horse.